Hi guys, I made a portrait of Messi versus Ronaldo using Python program. In this video, I'll show you how I made it from scratch. In closing, I will share the source code with you. So, stay tuned and watch the full video to see the fight between these two legendary footballers. Before proceeding, let's install a Python module called SketchP. I already have it installed. If you haven't, do it. Now create a separate folder for this task and open it with your favorite text editor. In my case, I'm using my favorite, VS Code. Now create 3 empty Python files, main.py, messi.py, and ronaldo.py. We are in the main.py. Here, we will import the canvas module and create an object of the sketch class. That's all for now. I have already created a cartoon image which is placed in the same folder. The task is to get all the coordinates of each part of the face. I'm using a Python program to find all the coordinates. You will also get the program from my website. Look, I mentioned the image path here. The work we have done so far was very easy, but the work we are about to do now requires a lot of patience. See, as soon as we click on a point, we are getting its coordinates. Similarly, we will cover each part of the face one by one. As soon as a section is covered, we will copy the coordinates to a separate text file. Now we will create a function in the messi.py file. We are going to draw the part of the face that we selected earlier. See, we need to mention the exact name of that text file here excluding the extension type. Here, we will specify the RGB value of the specific color in the part we want to fill, but we have to find it before. As I mentioned earlier, I have a cartoon image of Messi versus Ronaldo that I am going to replicate using Python programming. There is a website, helps to find the RGB value of any color. All we need to do is upload the image here. Click on the color at a point, and copy the RGB value from here. Simply put the copied value here. We have done a lot of work. Now we need to call Messi from the main program to check if everything is working properly or not. First, import the Messi module as lm10. Next, call the drawMessi function by passing the turtle object as an argument. Now importing the time module to access sleep function at last. It will delay in the execution of the program for 5 seconds. What happens if I run it now? Yeah, it's working perfectly. Similarly, we will perform the same thing we did in the last few steps until we fully covered Messi's replicate. As I have done it earlier, I will escape the next few steps. Look, I have all the text files containing all the coordinates that cover the whole Messi's portrait, and I mentioned all of those in the messi.py program. Let's check one more time whether everything is working fine or not. Yeah, it looks great. Now it's Ronaldo's turn. He may be waiting for a while to get the opportunity. Since we have to follow the same scenario again, I'm going to the final conclusion. I followed the same scenario and create this program for Ronaldo. Now I'm gonna call Ronaldo, as same as Messi. In closing, I'll add a versus to create a rivalry between Ronaldo and Messi that I've already prepared beforehand. Now it's time to fight. Let's see who wins. No doubt they are both legendary footballers and both are my favorites. As a Python programmer, I tried to have fun replicating both using Python programming. I have added the complete article on my website where you will find every information including the source code. If you like this idea, hit the like button, and if you want to see more like this, smash the subscribe button.